We get asked this question at least once a week, so I'm going to show you the system that we use. We use a piece of software in the cloud called Printavo, and there's so many things I love about it. This purchase order area right here, for example, is where all of our garments are compiled and we can place an order with any of our vendors. Then we created, in this area of the work order, this is not visible to the client, but anything in the white area down here as you scroll, anything in the white area is going to be visible to the client. So sometimes we need to make notes that only our staff sees, and this area allows you to do that. This grid is something that we created, and I'm convinced that it is a big part of what keeps our error rate below 1%. We have various stages in our production workflow where employees will check the work against the work order, and they also check for spelling errors. They check to make sure the ink colors are correct, thread colors are correct, and in addition to that, a single employee cannot do two columns in a row. So in other words, when they're counting items on a cart, it's amazing how important counting becomes in a business like this. But we don't want the same person doing two counts back to back. You want different employees doing those check-ins and different counts, because you can tend to find the same error twice, and you want to get a different person in there so you can flush out those errors. But right over here is where the magic really takes place with our work orders. These are our different color-coded statuses, and the status is not only visible to the staff, but it's visible to the client. So all of these colors, generally green means green light go, that we're good to move to the next phase. So like here you'll see that the proof is ready. Here is proof approved. Production has been started. We've got all of these areas. Red means that something's wrong, that either the artist needs more information, or that something's on hold pending approval, or that we need a revision, or we've got a down payment due. But all of these colors are very important. So once you choose one of these statuses, then this status bar up here changes. Now, I said that that's also visible to the client. So this is what the client sees on their end. They have a link to their account, and so they can see all of their work that they have done with you. Now, for larger companies that have multiple projects at a time, this is super handy, because let's say they have 5 projects in with you at a time. This one might be in the art department. This one might be on press. These 2 might be ready to pick up. They can see at a glance where their projects are in the workflow. We love Printavo. It has become the backbone of our business, and we can't imagine being without it.